Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually here again, oh my god, after like probably 2 months, and now I have short hair. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably must have known this, and most of you guys are from Instagram, so it's okay. So I actually reached here 1K subscribers, which is huge for me, so this is why I wanted to come back and do more content for you guys. And with that, we start with the review of this product that obviously you have seen on the title. So today I am giving you my review of the Revlon One Step hair dryer. This one has been a popular product on the last months. A lot of people in the beauty world were loving it, and some people were like hating it a little bit. So it was like a little bit mixed. Sometimes it was positive, sometimes it was negative. But in my particular experience, I was, expecting this to be, I was expecting it to be positive, the results. So right now I'm showing you how my hair looks only using this. No iron, nothing. It's just hair dry, blow hair dried, and I love it. I loved it. I was shook. I'm going to obviously show you some clips of the process, but I was pretty impressed. This one, I actually got it secondhand on Amazon, and yes, I disinfected it when it arrived. But yeah, it was secondhand, so I got it from the Amazon warehouse, I think, and it was $48. I think it does retail for that price. I definitely right off the bat felt that with the different settings that it has, like it mentions right over here, these have the cool, low, and high. So I'm gonna show you a clip right now, and I maintained it in the low setting the majority of the time, let's say 90%, and then I used the high setting when I was more like up here, which I think I filmed. I'm gonna insert the clip. And yeah, this isn't going to be like the very full review because this is pretty much honestly a first impressions, but I do find it very handy. And I am not someone that is a professional on the hair per se. I can do you makeup, but with the hair I'm pretty lazy, and I think this is such a lazy proof product because you definitely can do this technique, or also you can like brush it and you can style it, and then you could probably flat iron your hair. But for me, it was very easy to use. I do have natural curly hair, so probably, at least for me, it doesn't look like I have frizz until now, right? I live on an island, Puerto Rico. It's pretty humid, but actually it looks pretty good, and I'm pretty satisfied with the product. But it's pretty good, and you'll probably see the little clips right after this. So that was my first impressions mini review of the Revlon one step hair dryer. Pretty happy to have this product on my beauty stash. And yes, let me know if you enjoyed this product or not, if it was a different experience from mine. To finalize this video, thank you so much for watching. If you made it up until here, I am pretty much excited and motivated again to create on YouTube again, and I'll probably upload different kind of videos like book hauls, probably reviews of some products that I've gotten throughout these months and that some are still on the way. And expect a lot of color popping, probably Glossier, because I've been sticking to natural kind of vibes like today. And yeah, and probably more lifestyle. As I mentioned, I've been reading books, I've been playing Animal Crossing, because one of my last videos were from the Nintendo and Animal Crossing unboxing, and that was fun, and I still love that game to death. I probably want to do an updated island tour, so expect that at some point. And yeah, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.